What is the NB1L-20 Slim RCBO and what makes it stand out? The CHINT NB1L-20 is an 18mm ultra-slim electromagnetic RCBO. It provides 20 ampere branch circuit protection and 30 mA leakage current protection. It's narrower, lighter, more energy efficient, yet delivers outstanding performance. Saving space while ensuring higher efficiency and stronger protection. With short circuit and leakage protection, it enables precise zone protection and easier fault location. Its bidirectional wiring supports flexible top or bottom terminals. Designed with energy limit Class 3, it minimizes arc energy and reduces equipment damage. Applying electromagnetic measurement, it trips reliably without auxiliary power. The NB1L-20 has earned multiple international certifications, focused on Europe, expanding worldwide. The NB1L-20 delivers more efficient protection for residences, office buildings, shopping malls, and campuses. This is CHINT NB1L-20 Slim RCBO, smaller size, intelligent protection in every inch.